Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Libby. So today guys, I decided to cover up those ugly nails that I posted in my last video. I didn't really feel like doing all the extras, so I was like, I'm just do something where I don't have to do too much of anything. So I just really filed down the nails super thin, and then I used some Makartt clear gel that I ordered from Amazon Prime, and it is the best clear gel. It's just so clear. Like, I don't know, it's just super clear, as you can see here. So I'm using some glitters that I had. This is some stuff my daughter had in her little nail kit. Some craft glitter and some more glitter from Target, Walmart. So it's just to mix my glitters, and I'm adding it to my clear polygel. So I mix it up, and I like to let mine sit for about 5-10 minutes once I get it to the right, once it's mixed very good, basically, because it'll seem super hard and firm, but if you let it sit for about 5-10 minutes, then it kind of softens up, and then it's really easy to use at that point. So just mix it, moved it to the side, and then I began. So since I only had the left hand on for about 2 days, I really just filed it down, added some primer, and then I came in with some base gel, cured for 30 seconds, and then I got started. So I'm pretty much done talking. Y'all can just watch. Make sure that you let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Also, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, as well as a like and comment below. And I will see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.